Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can mark all unread emails as read in Proton Mail. So this is really useful for managing a cluttered inbox or starting fresh. So make sure that you're logged into your account first. So after you sign into your account, you will just have to go to your inbox and make sure that you're in the correct folder. And what you will have to do is select all the unread emails, and then you will use the filter or select option to choose unread messages. So once you've selected them all, what you will have to do is you will just have to look for mark as read, and then you will simply just click that. And now you will just have to confirm your action by doing that. So yeah, that's basically just it. And ensure that all unread emails are now marked as read. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.